Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video I will show you how to make a simple powerful inverter using inductor. As you can see, we have a winding of 505 turn as our secondary winding guys, as you can see. So we are going to make use of it to make a powerful inverter. So follow up guys and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, as you can see, these are for the drivers, the two wire here, and the middle is for positive inputs. So guys, as you can see, the middle here is for the positive, and this is the positive from the battery. So we are connecting it. Then we are going to use a switch. As you can see, that's our switch guys. So we are going to connect it now, as you can see. Then we put it in the middle of that inductor, as you can see. So right now guys, we want to test our inverter. So this is an AC LED bulb. So we are connecting it to the output of this inductor, as you can see. So we want to test it and see how this thing is working guys. So follow up guys, let's see how it works. So guys, as you can see, our project is working very fine. You can see the inverter is working. It's working very, and as you can see guys, it is very bright. So please subscribe to my channel guys. So right now guys, I want us to test the output of this inductor, which is as we use our inverter. So I want us to test the output, and I'm putting my lead to the 750 volts AC. So we want to test it now guys and see how it works and see how where the output. So as you can see, so guys, as you can see, I put my multimeter lead to 750 AC. So we want to test the output of this transformer guys, the output of our inverter. So let me on it. So as you can see, we are having around 250 to 240 something. Actually the voltage is dropping, but we have around 240 something volts, as you can see guys. So that's our output. Actually the output is stable, but it's dropping, as you can see guys. So guys, I want to test our inverter with this bulb. Actually it cannot carry it, but I want us to test it and see. So guys, I'm using this voltage booster to power it. So I'm going to connect this voltage booster so that it can power this bulb.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no.
So now guys, as you can see, it is working very fine, even though it's not that bright, but it can power it and it can run very well, as you can see. So please subscribe to my channel guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.
Show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.